guys again to BSA 2B's classroom. There they are. Say hi to the video. Hi. Say hi, guys. Hi, hello. Say hi, Ivy. Moyo, there. Yes. Actually, you are witnessing the making of their model at the design subject. So, technically, we're all hungry, but you know, we're all happy. We're here together with each other. It's only a joke, no. I mean, just look at what they're making. There they are. Yes. Hey, Ivy. Hello. Hello. There's our two beautiful endangered creatures from the earth. You know, there's namely Furby and there's namely Ardell. Yes. Give me some move. Give me some touch. Yes. Move. Yes. Oh, so yucky. There. And they're here. Here. This is Pakute. And this is yes, Pakute also. She's stealing someone from me. No, it's only a joke. It's only a joke. Yes. Look at them. Look at them. They're all very hardworking, you know. So that's the main goal of our course, you know. We have to stay puyat, we have to stay... Mag-recuperate kami minsan eh. Hindi maiwasan yun, pero tinan mo naman, ang lusog-lusog namin mga BSA, oh. Di ba? Ang lusog-lusog namin mga BSA, kaya nagpupuwet kami. Hindi halata. There. There. Na-aksidente mo siya? Buti na kita ng camera. There. So, that's all for now. We have to say bye and welcome again to Mixed Daily Top 10.